What if you could own a business that protects what matters most to people during their most stressful moments? 1-800-Packouts is a category-leading contents restoration franchise specializing in inventory management, packing, cleaning, and climate-controlled storage after property damage. When disasters like fires and floods occur, insurance carriers and property owners rely on specialists to secure and restore personal belongings. This service is essential, insurance-driven, and always in demand. Founded in 2014 and franchising since 2015, 1-800-Packouts operates in a highly specialized niche with limited competition and strong industry relationships. The model is built around high-ticket insurance claim work, simple operations, low staffing needs, and centralized national support that routes jobs directly to franchise owners. Backed by 5-star franchising, owners benefit from proven systems, national accounts, and ongoing training designed for scalable growth. The initial total investment starts at $269,300. Inside the full InfoPack, you will see what other owners are typically earning and insights into the day-to-day operations of this business. Add 1-800-Packouts to your top picks and request the InfoPack now.